Introducing Marvin Modern, a new product line with pure modern aesthetics, designed around the needs of architects and builders. Every Marvin Modern product works as part of a modular system. Consistent product profiles allow you to design with ease and confidence and maintain narrow sight lines. We developed innovative ways for modern windows and doors to perform at scale, from exterior to interior. A solid piece of high-density fiberglass forms our unique new frame, which requires no extra material to aid in its thermal performance. The structure and material helps withstand extreme changes in temperature to keep interior spaces comfortable. Every element of the Marvin Modern line designed with a specific purpose in mind. Curated colors and hardware styles blend seamlessly into the design. And the combined effect of black spacer bars, black sealant, and a low-gloss aluminum interior showcases more of the view. Introducing the Marvin Modern product line. For architects and builders who refuse to settle.